Hey, hi everyone. Today's video is all about Swagger. So Swagger is a way of documentation and testing the web APIs. So in today's world, most of the things or like web API has become a very important part of any application. So for implementing Swagger in our ASP.NET Core application, what we need to do is like uh, I will be showing you with Scratch all those process. So what I am going to do is I am going to start my Visual Studio 2017. So as you can see, my Visual Studio has started. Now what I need to do is I will go and create a ASP.NET Core project which will be a web API with Swagger, right? I don't want any HTTPS for this application. I just want a simple API project, and this is it. So as soon as I hit the OK button, it will generate the template and get me all the files which are like the basic setup for an API application. So once I can see this project being created and all those documentation being available, so what I will do is I will go into the package manager console. So what I can do is I will go in my quick launch bar and search for package manager. So as soon as I hit package manager, I will open it and just issue a command to install the Swagger. So in our ASP.NET Core application, we are going to use one open source implementation that is nswag. So what I am going to do over here is I am going to simply say add package nswag dot ASP.NET Core. So as soon as I hit the enter button, it should be able to restore all the packages. So now we can see that the restore was completed successfully, and I should be able to see Swagger in my Nugget package. So nswag.asp.net core is available with me. So as soon as I get this, what I can do is like I need to go in my startup application and start configuring it. So I am going to say that register my Swagger document. So this will be like services dot add Swagger document. So I just need to reference it over here. Also what I need to do is just before app.mvc I will be registering the Swagger generator and UI middlewares. So I am just going to say app.use Swagger. Also I need to add this app.use Swagger UI 3. So now this is as simple as setting up my Swagger implementation. So if I start my web server, so I should be able to see my values controller being executed in my application. So as you can see, this API has been written like the controller is running. So just to access the Swagger, what I need to do is I simply need to point this Swagger over here. So as soon as I hit enter, I am going to get this page which is like a middleware which I registered just now. So if I have got one controller, so this is showing a values controller. So as soon as I hit over here, I can see what are the methods available with me. So if I say, let's say for get, I just want to see like what are the parameters and what are the responses and everything what is available with me. So we will be configuring all these things out. So what we need to do is, like, if we just hit try it out and execute, so the execution process has started and it is using curl from behind the scenes to execute this API, and it will be returning me some data. So this is like response code 200 was sent, and like response body value 1 value 21 was provided. So this is like a very useful for uh, implementation, and it's like if you have uh, want to do some documentation with web API, then this is like a best way to do it. So this is all about how you can use Swagger in ASP.NET Core application. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this video, and also please hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.